Hello everyone, welcome to this series on literary terms and theories. And in this video, we are going to discuss aleatory writing. Introduction. Aleatory writing, derived from the Latin word aleatorius, meaning dice, refers to a creative process that incorporates elements of chance and randomness. This concept is not limited to writing alone, but extends to music, sculpture, painting, and other forms of art. The essence of aleatory techniques lies in leaving aspects of the creative process to chance, thereby allowing random events to influence the outcome. The role of chance in creativity. Throughout history, many artists have relied on luck, chance, and the unexpected as integral components of their creative processes. Instances of fortuitous experiences playing a crucial role in inspiration and invention are well documented. The random and unforeseen often provide a fresh perspective or a novel idea that fuels the creative act. In this context, chance is not merely a backdrop but a fundamental element that shapes the creative journey. Deliberate aleatropic techniques. Practitioners of aleatory techniques, however, do not leave everything entirely to chance. Instead, they deliberately create opportunities for randomness to influence their work. This methodical approach involves setting up conditions under which chance events can occur, thus blending intention with randomness. Such a practice ensures that while the outcome is unpredictable, the process retains an element of control and direction. Examples of aleatory techniques. Aleatory writing can be approached in various ways. One common method involves writing down numerous words on separate pieces of paper, throwing them into the air, and then arranging them according to how they fall. Another approach is to shuffle the words like cards and use the resulting sequence to guide the writing. These techniques illustrate the diversity and flexibility inherent in aleatory methods. William Burroughs and the cut-up technique. William Burroughs is a notable figure in aleatory writing, particularly known for his cut-up technique. This method involves cutting up pages of text and allowing the random arrangement of words and phrases to dictate the composition. Burroughs' approach exemplifies how aleatory techniques can yield unique and innovative literary forms. An example of a similar approach is The Unfortunates by B.S. Johnson, a novel presented in a box with separately bound chapters that readers can rearrange in any order. Other notable examples. Other artists have also experimented with aleatory methods. Tom Phillips's A Humament involves taking a Victorian novel, A Human Document by W.H. Mallock, and inking out words to create a new text within the original. Ian Hamilton Finlay has explored aleatory techniques in creating concrete poetry. Stephen Mallarmé's Coup de Dés is another example, where the poem appears to result from random arrangement with phrases stretched across large pages, resembling the chaotic aftermath of a shipwreck. Dream sequences as aleatoric guides. Dream sequences can also serve as guides in aleatory writing. Giorgio di Chirocco's novel Hebdo Miriso comprises a series of linked dream sequences illustrating how the unconscious mind can influence the creative process. Dreams, with their inherent randomness and surreal quality, align perfectly with the principles of aleatory writing, offering an unstructured and spontaneous flow of ideas. Aleatory techniques in music and painting. Aleatory methods are not confined to literature. In music, composer John Cage is renowned for his use of randomness, creating compositions that incorporate chance elements. Jackson Pollock's paintings, characterized by their seemingly random splashes and drips, embody aleatory techniques in visual art. Both artists demonstrate how chance can lead to groundbreaking and influential works across different mediums. Conclusion: Aleatory writing and its related techniques offer a unique blend of randomness and method, allowing artists to explore new creative territories. By embracing chance, artists can break free from conventional constraints and discover novel forms of expression. This approach underscores the interconnectedness of control and spontaneity, highlighting the unpredictable yet profoundly impactful role of chance in the creative process. Aleatory techniques remind us that sometimes the most innovative ideas emerge from the interplay between order and chaos. So this was the discussion on the term aleatory writing. We will meet in the next video and discuss some other term. Until then, goodbye and thank you.